Good morning from beautiful Daytona International Speedway. This is one of the things you can do when you don't have to give your money to the dispensaries. You can go and enjoy some of your time instead of just spending your money and staying at home. So just watch this program, do it. If you smoke, you won't have this bill on your hand, and you could use the money for other things in life, like this right here. Sun's rising, the moon's behind me. Okay, now for these clones, I'm going to trim up the bottoms. We're going to go up a few inches. That's about it right there. Then we're going to cut the top. This one is not the best of them, the way it's growing. And what you want to do, you can see the newest sprout right there. That would be a really hard cut to make. So you come down to the next one, and you just want to get the stem part. You don't want to get that new growth coming up, shooting up right there. You don't want to get it. You want to get right above it. And don't get the leaf behind it. And that's good. I'm going to trim up the very bottom pieces off of there. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to find a little spot right in there, right on the stem, below the shoot of the one above the stem and the one below the stem. So we just got the stem. That's it. Very defined. We have your new growth coming out. You can actually snip it right there. The easiest spot for anyone who doesn't have really good scissor hands, which I would snip it right in there. Or you snip it down here, which is for sure. It's just stem at the bottom there where I snipped. And it's right above the new growth coming out. And then you'll have the two new growths coming. And we'll clean up the bottom of the plant. And then take a couple little ones right out of the center there. Don't look the greatest. Kind of let the plant do its thing now. And you do as many as you have to do, and now the plant will grow up. 2 sprouts will come up out of there instead of 1. And you can do that one more time, but with these littler plants in an indoor, 1 time's pretty good. Besides snipping the top, we clean up the bottoms A little bit of the stems coming up out of there. And we leave some green on there. And I'll take it all. This one's going to be a tall, lanky one. We left some green at the bottom. See what that does over there. It'll bring in the light. And that one's topped with really no leaves taken off of that one at all. So they vary. That could have maybe, it could have, yeah, that's good. You got to keep the leaf on the plant for the light to make it grow. And there you have it. Today is day 38 of the bloom. On day 36, we fertilized. On day 34, we watered. And on day 32, we watered. We went out of town for a little bit and just got back. We had the watering done and it was taken care of. So we actually were able to get up out of here. And the plants all look fine, and we're gonna water them today. It's day 38. We're gonna give them 1 drop of pH down each. Oh, that one got 2. So this one needs fixed. But we're gonna have to redo that water because 2 drops got in there. Diatomaceous earth was put back in here one more time, which will definitely take care of that. And we will water them out with 3 gallons of water. And we got us a new gallon of water. And that's good. We used almost 3 gallons of water today. I see water in all the buckets today for some reason. So that's good for day 38 of the bloom cycle. Day 51, since we took the clippings from the other plants that we have in full bud right now. They could be doing a lot better. We need the light, and so we're gonna get us a bigger light because we got another 4 weeks in the back room still to go. So we're gonna get these under a bigger light, get these ferted up. So these are being ferted today with the half tablespoon of the Grow. The water's already pH down. So we're 1 drop of pH down, and we're giving each plant just enough to wet them down and not get outside the perimeter much. And you go around and do it 1 time, and then go back around a 2nd time after that water soaks in. And then go back around and hit them again. And this will help get them going for sure. And we'll have the light here very shortly. And that'll get these plants up to a way bigger stage than this little light. This little light was perfect for doing the clones and for having these things for a couple weeks. And we just need to get a bigger light. Even if we had 2 of these in session, this only goes up to was it 350 or something, 350 watt. So we're gonna get a big light, and then we'll be mostly have this grow together a lot, except for cooling that room when these hotter temperatures come in. Because even if you don't do it during the summertime, you're still going to have a month where it's going to be warm. You're going to have to figure that out with some type of cooling, which we're going to do here. We are on day 40 of the indoor grow. It is in bloom stage. We got our 3 gallons of pH'd water. We're going to water them up. The diatomaceous earth is spread out really nice in there. Taking on the water on top and flushing it right through there. And there's day 40 of the bloom cycle. 3 gallons of pH water at 6.1, 6.0. Everything's looking good. These buds are much bigger than the buds on this plant. Those buds are grown different than these buds. And there's something to crow about. Today is day 42 of the bloom. We're going to shake our bloom fertilizer up, and today we're going to add almost a whole tablespoon. We've been doing the half tablespoon so far for the fertilizing of the bloom cycle, and today we're going to go 1 3/4. Not heavy on the first one, and 3/4 at the most on the second. And we'll get a reading on this to see what it reads. And there we have it for day 42. Everything's looking good, and we should see some extended, we should see some more bud growth this week for sure. Then we go around and do the same with the other plants. I see one other one that can use it. See that little bud there starting to way down that stem. We have all our wires pre-cut. The buds are getting heavier now.
And there's two of the plants that are done.